Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image using the InShot app. If you have ever wanted to make your photos look more professional or add them to creative projects, this simple trick will make a huge difference. So let's get started. Find the InShot app, now open it. Now tap onto the photo section. Next, select the image you want to edit. Find the image in your gallery, tap on it. Now slide to your right and here you can find the option of remove. Now go ahead and tap on it. Now under the remove section, here you can see the basic option, tap on it. You can change the size of the brush. After adjusting, now select the background that you want to remove like this. Wait for a few seconds and it looks like this. Like this, you can change and remove the background of your image. Once you have done everything that you wanted, now tap onto check mark right here and then you are good to go. And that's it, you have successfully removed the background from your image using InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.